stars of the show today are our very special birthday kids. And now comes the real magic.
Card tricks?
No card tricks.
Sawing a cake in half.
No sawing.
Pulling a rabbit out of a hat?
Nope. Now our birthday guest thinks of a magic wish to make before they blow out the candles at the end of this song.
Happy birthday to you. Come on, man, sing.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday from both of us, you and me.
Me and you.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, make a wish and
Blow out your candles. Oh, man, it's getting breezy in here.
Hold on to your hats.
Hey, you did it! You blew out your candles! Yay!
Yeah, very
Way to
nicely
go!
done. We just want to say happy birthday to you.
It's another great year for you to look forward to.
We just want to say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! We just want to say happy birthday to you.
So much stuff that you've done.
So much more stuff to do.
We just want to say
Happy birthday to you from Showbiz Pizza, where a kid can be a kid.
Now remember, our special birthday helpers are here to help you have a good time.
They can help you tidy up your table,
Or carry presents to your car.
or bring me a piece of your cake.
Oh, little Earl.
Sorry.
So have the best time ever. And from both of us, a great big thank you for coming here today and sharing your birthday fun with us.
Happy birthday! Hey, check it out! The other curtains didn't open, so it must be the Earl and Rolf show!
You wish. No chance, my handy little friend.
Hey, so what's going on? Where's everybody else? Why are the curtains closed?
Questions, questions, questions. Well, I happen to have the inside scoop. There are some pretty groovy changes going on behind those curtains.
Oh, yeah? Like what?
Like some new faces here at Showbiz.
What kind of faces?
Yeah, I'll give you a hint. What has big ears,
An elephant.
a long pointed nose,
An anteater.
and wears a red derby hat?
A red derby hat?
Think about it, wise guy. And since it'll take you a year to figure it out,
Give me a break.
let's take a look at some of the fun we've had over the last couple of years. Remember the piece where Fats made his classical piano debut?
Yeah, Fats is a classic, all right.
Check out the monitors.
All right, everybody, welcome to Showbiz Pizza Place. And yeah, your ears are working correctly. We doing classical music here today.
That's right, and this is in keeping with our tradition to impart as much wisdom as we can to our captive audience.
So y'all just sit right back and soak up some culture while we crank out a few classical ditties. It just so happens that I am classically trained. That means I know these songs like the back of my head. Oh, better grab a note and hang on, boys. She's taking us for a joyride. Woo! Ow, Silver!
How many of y'all out there recognize this tune? Raise your hand. Yeah, go ahead, blurt it out. Who wrote it? That's right, Looney Bird. It was written by Bach. And we think it was one of the most beautiful classical melodies of all time. In fact, so did an early rock and roll group called the Toys, because they picked it up and put some words to it, and it became one of the most beautiful rock ballads of all time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Rocket Fire Explosion would like to do it for you. So here's Mitzi with our version of the Lover's Concerto.
How gentle is the rain that falls softly on the meadow. Birds high up in the trees serenade the flowers with the melody. Oh, you hold me in your arms and say once again you love me. And if the love is true, everything will be just as wonderful.
I love Mitzi's voice, so where is she anyway?
I think she's probably getting one of those beauty parlor makeovers.
If Fats is the one that needs the makeover, maybe I could suggest a diet?
Fats thinks big, Earl. Check this out.
I'll be bigger than Fat Albert and Elvis Presley too. Don't you ever get smart with me, boy, or I might sit on you. I'll smash buses against buildings just walking down the street. I'll get stuck in every doorway and they'll have to blast me free. When I double in size, every single part of me will double in size, or triple in size, then triple in size. Every single part of me will triple in size, quadruple in size, quadruple in size. And when you see me coming, boy, you won't believe your eyes.
We'll be back in a few minutes with some more showbiz highlights.
Big ears, long nose, red derby
Keep
hat.
working on it, Earl.
everybody. It's the Earl Smurl Show with special guest Rolf the Wolf.
Wait a minute. It's not your show, Earl. In fact, you'd be nothing without me.
Well, you're nothing without the rest of the Showbiz gang. Where are they anyway?
I told you. Only I know the utterly irrefutable tabloid truth. But here's 2 more clues. A red vest and a bow tie.
What? Oh, let me see. Big ears, long nose, red derby hat, a red vest, and a bow tie?
That's right.
Oh, rats, I'll never figure this out.
Maybe you know and just don't know you know.
I'm really confused.
So what else is new? Here's Fats and Beach Bear with some good old rock and roll.
Hang on, Snoopy, Snoopy, hang on. Yeah, hang on, Snoopy, Snoopy, hang on. Snoopy lives in a very bad part of town. Oh, everybody try to put my Snoopy down. Oh, Snoopy, I don't care what your daddy do. Oh, come on, Snoopy girl, I'm in love with you. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, come on. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, come on. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, come on. Make it feel real good. Come on, come on. Yeah, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it.
There she was, just walking down the street, singing do-I-diddy-diddy-dum, diddy-do, clapping her hands and stomping her feet, singing do-I-diddy-diddy-dum, diddy-do. She walked on to my door, she walked on to my door, then we kissed a little more. Now we're together nearly every single day, singing do-I-diddy-diddy-dum, diddy-do, laughing and singing, and that's how it's gonna stay, singing do-I-diddy-diddy-dum, diddy-do. She looks good, she looks good, she looks fine, she looks fine, she looks good, she looks fine, and then one day she'll be mine. Whoa, yeah.
So, Earl, do you remember the Beatles?
Oh, yeah, man. They played at Woodstock.
Afraid not. Your confusion is total. Let's take a look at a couple of my personal faves from the Beatles, with a little rock and roll for dessert.
Ask a girl what she wanted to be. She said, baby, can't you see? I wanna be famous, a star of the screen. But you can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car. Baby, I love you. Tell me that you got everything you want, and your bird can sing, but you don't get me. You don't get me. When your prized possessions start to weigh you down, look in my direction. I'll be round. I'll be round.
Well, it's Saturday night, and I just got paid. Who's about the money? Don't try to save. My heart says don't go. Have the time for the Saturday night. How I feel fine. Gonna rock it up. I'm gonna rip it up. I'm gonna shake it up. I'm gonna ball it up. I'm gonna rock it up.
Oh, man, I love rock and roll.
So does Beach Bear, Earl. The notes really fly out of that wild guitar of his. Remember his great solo on the rock and roll classic from the 60s called Shout?
Yeah, man, that was cool. Let's hear it again.
Roll the tape, and everyone feel free to get up and dance.
You make me feel so good. You know you make me wanna shout. Shout, throw my head up, kick my feet up. Yeah, yeah, I get to say you well. I get to say you well. Say you well. Right now, right something new. A little bit something now. A little bit louder 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 now.
So, Earl, did that rock and roll get you back on track, or is your brain permanently derailed?
I'm still trying to figure out what's going on behind those curtains. How about one more clue?
Well, maybe. When we come back in a few minutes. I think a few cartoons might stimulate your brain cells, if you have any.
I go where you go, pal.
We'll be back in a few. Contrary to what you might have heard from Earl, this is not the Earl and Rolf show.
So what is it then, Wolfface? Where's Fats and Billy Bob and Mitzi?
If I've said it once, I've said it at least twice. Things are changing here at Showbiz. You'll probably see workers moving around those stages, and in a few days, you'll see something totally different.
I need one more clue and I'll have it. Okay, you said big ears, long nose, red derby hat, red vest, and a bow tie. One more clue, just one more.
This is it, so listen carefully. Big teeth.
Big teeth. Big teeth. Aha! I think I know.
Hold on. Before you say something really stupid, think about it a little longer. I'm afraid you're going to embarrass yourself.
But I know who you are describing.
It's some wild and crazy sidewalk surfing, and it's bad. Dig it.
Hey, Beach Bear, guess what this is?
Oh no, I know what that is. That's a dreaded sidewalk surfboard. Listen to those wheels. Ah!
Grab your board and go sidewalk surfing with me.
Don't be afraid to try the newest sport around.
Bust your buns down. It's catching on in every city and town.
You can do the tricks the surfers do. Try out Quasimodo or Coffin too. Now,
Grab your board and go sidewalk surfing with me.
you'll probably wipe out when you first try to shoot the curve.
Bust your buns down. 'Cause it's a sport that takes a lot of nerve.
Downhill Greg, man, will give you a kick. But if your sidewalks crack, you better pull out quick.
Why don't you?
Grab your board and go sidewalk surfing with me.
Why don't you?
Grab your board and go sidewalk surfing with me.
Who's bad? You know I'm bad. I'm bad. Jump on it. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. Come on. You know it. And the whole world has to answer right now just to tell you once again who's bad. We could change the world tomorrow. It could be a better place. If it don't like what I'm saying, then won't you slap my face? 'Cause I'm bad. I'm bad. Jump on it. Ooh, I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it. Ooh, I'm bad. I'm bad. Come on. You know it. And the whole world has to answer right now just to tell you once again who's bad.
Not bad, dude.
Dude rhymes with food, and that's what Fats likes best.
Speaking of rhymes, remember the fun we had with nursery rhymes last year?
I remember that crazy green frog that tried to get a loan from Miss Paddywhack.
Let's reprise that segment with Mitzi making like a star and singing a rhyme sublime in Twinkle Twinkle.
Oh, that's cute. Real cute.
Little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hey, y'all, come on, get your hands together and help me out with the coolest little nursery rhyme I ever heard. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and waves. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and said, "What you got in the bowl, baby? What you got in the bowl for me?"
Look here, Jack and Jill went up a hill to fetch a pail of water. And Jack fell down and he busted his crown.
And Jill's selling Tupperware and wearing sensible shoes.
Take a break, Ross. Hey, everybody, look up this way just one second. I want to tell you a story I heard. Y'all won't believe this. I bet you never heard this before. Hey, you guys, bring it down back there. There was this frog. He was easing down the road one day, decided he wanted to go into this bank to get a loan. He spoke to the lady behind the desk, Miss Paddywhack, said, "Need a loan." She said, "Well, you're going to have some collateral. What do you have for collateral?" He reached down in his pocket. All he had was a little trinket thing, and he tossed it up there on the desk. Paddywhack looked it over with bifocals and said, "You're going to have to talk to the boss." So she scurried on back to the boss's office and said, "Look, the frog is here. He wants a loan. All he's got for collateral is this little thing here, and I don't even know what it is." The old man glanced down at it, looked up at it, and said, "It's a knick-knack, Paddywhack. Give the frog a loan." As a cool old man. This old man.
He plays one.
He plays
Knick-knack.
on my drum with a knick-knack.
Paddywhack.
Give the frog a loan.
This old man came rolling home. This old man, he plays one. He plays knick-knack on my drum with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a frog a loan. This old man came rolling home.
Come on, y'all, help us out. This old man.
He played two.
He plays
Knick-knack.
on my shoe with a knick-knack.
Paddywhack.
Give the frog a loan.
This old man came rolling home. This old man, he plays two. He plays knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a frog a loan. This old man came rolling.
Now give that frog a loan. Come on. Now the frog did get his loan, but he spent it all on a Saturday night.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
On a Monday.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Tuesday.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
How about a Wednesday?
All on Saturday night.
How about a Thursday?
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Oh, baby, now.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Oh, get in a circle.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Jump around.
All on Saturday night.
Here we go, loop-de-loop. Here we go, loop-de-loop. Here we go, loop-de-loop. Oh, on a Saturday night, on a Saturday night.
Here we go, loop-de-loop. Here we go, loop-de-loop. Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Oh, on a Saturday night, on a
just hear some hammering behind the curtain?
It's very possible, Earl, and you still haven't figured out why, have you?
I told you, I figured out what's going on.
Put a lid on it, Earl. I still think you're gonna embarrass yourself. We'll be back in a few minutes with some special moments in showbiz history.
And I'll tell you what's going on behind those curtains.
We'll believe it when we hear it, little guy. Hang around, folks.
So, are you ready?
Ready for what?
Ready for me to tell you what's going on behind those curtains?
Go ahead, little Earl. Tell us.
Sure, any dummy could figure it out. Big ears,
Yeah.
long nose, red derby hat,
Right.
red vest and bow tie, and big teeth.
You're right. Any dummy could figure it out. So?
They're having a birthday party for Mr. Ed. You know, the talking mule. Big ears,
Earl.
long nose, red
Earl.
birthday derby.
Earl!
What?
You've embarrassed yourself in front of all these people.
It's got to be Mr. Ed. It's just got to be. I'm just gonna go over there during the next video and see for myself.
Not without me, you won't. Folks, enjoy 3 more of our favorite showbiz flashbacks while Earl and I take a little hike.
My, oh my, those were the wonderful days. My childhood memories come flooding back from a wonderful world of color. Sitting in front of my TV set, eating some peanut butter. It's Sunday night, Disney's on, and my heart was all aflutter. And I was the happiest little monkey you ever could see, watching Disney and eating peanut butter. Maybe some sardines with it too. And the band would play. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Oh, Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. Oh, it's the truth. It's the truth. Everything is satisfaction. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feelings heading my way. Bluebirds on my shoulder. Oh, it's the truth. Yes, it is. Is I so? Yes, it is. Everything's gonna be satisfaction. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. And here's hoping that for all you kids, whether you 1 or 92, make every day a zippity-doo-dah day. Yeah.
Howdy, everybody. Today's show is for dreamers only. Let me see the hands of all the dreamers out there. Raise them up. Yeah, because today we're going to give you something magic. Something magic that'll help your dream come true.
Baby, I know you're asking me to stay. Say please, please, please don't go away. You see I'm giving you the blues. Oh, but I need some time off from that emotion.
Time to get my heart back off the floor.
Oh, and that love comes down without devotion. Well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I'm showing you the door.
mind set on you. It's gonna take time, a whole lot of precious time. It's gonna take patience and time. Oh, to do it, 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 do it right. I've got my mind set on you. 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 This time I know it's for real. The feelings that I feel. I know if I put my mind to it, I know that I really can do it. I've got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you.
Hey, Earl.
I don't believe it.
Don't believe what?
It was so obvious.
What was obvious?
What's behind those curtains?
Try to recover from the shock, Furface. Tell you what, I'll dedicate our last flashback to you.
What do you mean?
It's about everybody who ever accomplishes anything. They'll have to start out with high hopes and big dreams.
I can't believe I was so dense.
Actually, you're loosely packed. But you are a dreamer. Mr. Director, roll the tape, please.
He got fired when he worked as a train boy for the railroad man.
And then he went to work as a telegraph clerk and got fired again.
His boss said he spent too much time doing stupid stuff.
And then some crazy gadgets called a phonograph and the light bulb. He was a dreaming man, ain't no doubt. Y'all tell me who you think I'm talking about.
Thomas Edison.
He was a dreamer. He was a dreamer. Held on to his dream through everything. Yes, and he worked no matter how hardships stood in his way. It made me want to play just this way. Work. Say work. She had this dream since she was just a little girl.
But time flew by and no one ever gave her a chance to try.
He said a woman's place is in the home.
But they ain't supposed to fly.
Now can you guess who made those famous flights?
Amelia Earhart.
Right.
She was a dreamer. Held on to a dream through everything. Yes, and she worked no matter how hard she stood in the way. She made me wanna play just this way. Now work. Even the best politicians may lose elections sometimes, you know. But I know an old boss who lost so much that he pity foe.
11 times he ran, 11 times he bellied up.
But he was a tough old boy from Illinois, and he was not giving up.
But he ran one more time and saw my face be president of the United States. That's what I'm saying. Abraham Lincoln. That's right.
He was a dreamer. He was a dreamer. Held on to his dream through everything. Yes, and he worked no matter how
Just stood in his way. No, I got to say it.
So, Earl, are you going to tell the folks about the big surprise?
Nah, I'm gonna let them figure it out themselves. After all, it's very obvious.
Funny, I remember you saying something about Mr. Ed.
Never you mind about that. Okay, folks, here it is. Get a picture in your mind. Big ears, long nose, red derby hat, red vest, a bow tie, and big teeth. Got it?
The curtains will open on a whole new showbiz stage in just a few days. So come back for a treat you'll appreciate over and over again.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, what about us? What are we gonna do?
No prob, man. I know a great little room in Tahoe. They're looking for a stand-up act with a dummy.
Dummy? I'm no dummy. Just because I thought it was Mr. Ed, you go calling me a dummy. It was as plain as the fangs on your face. It was Chuck E. Cheese with the big